Hello family, we're here in our garden picking our crops, and we had a lot of cucumbers just came off. Catfish picked them off. Here's our tomatoes, but they're growing, but
You put that in when they let it turn red.
yeah, put that in. Where's your bag? I don't have nowhere to hold that.
That's all right. Just drop it. See, what is that thing?
There's
Squash.
Junior, get ready to dig some potatoes.
That's that winter squash.
Yeah, see.
Right,
that
winter
one over
squash.
there. One
That's
over
what
there.
they are.
That's winter squash. I didn't know what it was. One over here. Yeah, they're coming. Don't pull.
I got you, Pop. Messing up sweet potatoes.
We got mosquitoes. You see that big one underneath the
I never knew about winter squash. They're the same kind.
no,
They look different or they're darker.
never had them before.
Oh, look at that big watermelon over there.
Yeah.
Oh, she's pretty.
See, you got a winter squash underneath the basil. The basil, I don't have a knife on.
I need a scissor to cut the basil. I think I can freeze it. Try to freeze it.
You see how it is. Now the eggplant, I picked that the other day. Came out and I plucked off 3.
Well, why are those wild berries over there? Why did they come up?
I don't know
Where they come from? Never seen them before.
Oh my gosh.
All right, so Junior,
Junior's trying to
dig the-
find.
No, man, the grass is.
This is the sweet potatoes right here in the middle, right here.
yeah, where?
Sweet potatoes right
Sweet
here.
potato.
Yeah.
Daddy come and pick the grass up.
Now,
Grass got tough. Shake it. Just shake the dirt.
check it.
Yeah, shake it. Shake it. Keep your dirt. Oh Lord.
All we have is 3 more potato plants.
Or potato plant. Oh, they turn brown, so they mean they're ready.
Yeah.
Okay. This is a potato. Oh, look at the potatoes. Look. There's our potato. Wow.
There's some in the hole yet.
Let's see if I can get a close up. There's the potatoes. Yay. Last time we got about 5 pounds. So we got to see what.
I know we got more than 1 potato on the vine.
Well, we got a stranger come by. Look at that potato. We're digging our potatoes up.
Got caught there.
Look at the potatoes he's digging up.
Oh, we are there.
Junior's digging up
Where
our
y'all at?
potatoes. Do you feel, how many
Y'all
do you
moved
feel?
everything
Not many?
on watermelon?
Look.
Is it ready?
There's another one.
These are brown on the end. Look, they're nice.
They're nice and big. Look at the potatoes. Wow.
Pops, you gotta stay focused on one thing, man.
That one's ready. Yeah.
I don't see any brown on
This one here.
Pops, you gotta stay focused, man.
Pop, come back. You hear what they,
What the boss say?
yeah, boss told you.
You gonna dig down to show?
I'm trying to get the ones that I found.
Yeah, we got cucumbers inside the house. You can take some with you.
Yeah, you take a couple. Yeah, we got it.
I've been told y'all to do it that way.
I'm filming. So no
That it?
profane words.
I didn't think like
No, I'm just telling.
Y'all got everything moved?
Is that all that came out of there?
Oh.
Just 3
Hard
big
work.
ones?
this. 2 whole days.
There's one.
I
There's
haven't
one.
slept since
2 days?
There's another potato.
Oh, they way
Oh,
over
look at
there.
that. Look at that. It's a big one. Wow.
It's spread out.
Josh, you got some potatoes you can take home.
What y'all do, like, split some
Look at that. Look, look. Look at the
Yeah,
potatoes.
I don't know how to junior plant these. I think how you plant your potatoes, Junior?
They're probably running from one vine to the yeah, there's another one. Look,
Yeah.
there's
That's
another one.
Junior's garden.
Look at our potatoes, y'all.
They're bigger than the last one.
He let them stand there a little longer.
And it's all natural.
Look
We
at
ain't put no fertilizer on it.
Look,
Are you done?
No.
no. Look at that little one. We eat those too. They can be pay a lot of money in the store for those small potatoes.
They put fertilizer on it, been worse.
They been growed everywhere. We had a whole backyard full. Look at these potatoes, y'all.
Yeah, he was scared to put fertilizer on it.
Shake the dirt off.
I wasn't scared,
Shake
man.
some,
I just
yeah.
didn't do
He didn't want to do it. But there's some nice potatoes before they are.
Well, I mean, you
Time to
fertilize-
put in.
you
Mhm.
fertilize the ground before you plant it, though.
Oh yeah, next year we'll fertilize and line it pretty good.
Yeah, look at that. That's a big one right there. That's a
Looking
nice
good.
size.
It's
Yeah,
good.
It's
that's
green.
good.
It's green.
It's good. Yeah, we have green a
mean-
little bit. Yeah, it's good.
You know why it was green?
Cause
on
on the
top.
ground a little bit. Yeah,
On top of the ground.
yeah.
Oh, I got hit
Yeah,
by the sun.
it didn't come up. It didn't burr itself.
Yeah, we got a guest came up. My
I'm
grandson
glad
here.
somebody want a watermelon.
Josh.
He is gonna take one.
He wants
And
to.
see that lettuce? You got a knife on you? It's that green. Yeah, cut that potato. You got
What,
cut
watermelon?
it. Lettuce.
Oh, lettuce. Oh, you got scissors in the house. In the drawer, second drawer down
Okay.
from the silverware.
I can take my time. Heather's sleeping.
Yeah,
You sleep.
I'm standing up right now.
that's good. Look at that. Look at those potatoes. Oh, wow. You got a lot from over there.
You don't think it's ready?
Yeah, let it grow
I
up.
think it's ready. I think it's ready.
Look at those pretty
Oh,
potatoes.
it's probably not ready yet, man.
Junior say ain't ready yet.
I don't think so. It sounds kind of.
Yeah, let it be. Just leave it alone. We'll get it later. Look at the potatoes. I'm so happy
Happy.
for our garden. It produced some
You see what the
produce. We can
stems
eat.
are going at?
We can eat and be merry and give away what we don't want or need.
You ain't getting nothing.
Junior.
You ain't
Junior's the
getting all
farmer here. This is Junior. Here's the farmer. Here's the one. Here's the one with the energy and the
See what
muscle.
the vine-
Me and his pop
Yeah, yeah.
are a little weak now. Getting older, don't have the energy. Young people had all the energy and the muscle.
See,
There's
you
probably
know-
more down there.
You think so?
Yeah. I really do.
So that is
Those
wonderful.
people over there on this side. Try that.
Just
Just turn it
digging,
over.
looking for potatoes. They might have ran into the other side. Oh, that's some pretty soil.
No, that's it.
That's good. That first one was plenty. But let him check out the one you stand in front of.
Yeah, that's right. You're
Yeah,
right.
the one right there. Let's see what's in there. Just experimenting with the garden, and look at all those potatoes on that vine. Wow. Si, I dare you. I dare you.
See? I told you to leave him a couple weeks.
No, you were trying to pull him last week, man. I told you he was great.
Pop tried to pull his potato before time.
He's out pulling too
You
fast.
bring a bag? What you gonna put it in? You need a bag to put it in.
He's out pulling too fast.
What? That lettuce? Oh, that's pretty. Look at that lettuce.
I didn't see that a while ago.
Oh, that's pretty.
So what? Cut it at the bottom?
Yeah, burn
No,
that.
middle way.
No.
Middle way next to the stem. Yeah, down. Not the whole root. Yeah. Not, yeah.
Take it captures the potato.
Wow. Junior got the potatoes. I'm trying to get my tomato before side.
Right there.
Get it. You need to bring in get a plastic bag These men, Lord, have mercy. They come to get the harvest and nothing to put them in. But look at these potatoes. Junior, God, there's some big ones right there. Look at these big ones. Wow. Wow, look at the big ones. There's a big potatoes.
This one no more good.
What, it's rotten. Throw it in there, over there in that fence over there. It's rotten. I see another watermelon growing down here. There's a little one growing right beside that big one.
What are these?
Wow.
What are those?
That was all.
Pull it up, Josh. I don't know.
I don't know.
What are these?
No, it's supposed to be carrots and stuff over there, so I don't know.
Carrots?
Oh, yeah, dude. Well, those are ready then.
You think it's carrots?
Yeah.
You think that carrot?
But I don't know.
You didn't label anything, so we don't know what's.
I think
He's
that
gonna
was
pull
all.
it and look for it.
Piece of green. Green.
I can imagine back in the day, this was hard work for people, digging potatoes by hand and putting them in baskets and carrying them to the market. I can't even imagine. Let's see my lettuce. Put it out there so I can see it.
See, that one might be ready.
That's my lettuce. Shine it this way. There you go. It's pretty. It's nice and pretty. Look at the lettuce. They almost look like greens. It's bad,
Yeah.
family, when we don't label stuff and know what it is, but here's a big tomato that we got.
Hey, you got a sack full.
Look at our potatoes. Wow. A nice harvest. Look at them. Wow. Look at that. So we can have some cucumbers,
I'm gonna go
tomatoes,
wash them off.
potatoes tonight for dinner. Wow. So this is it.
Like
You won't get no
eggplant.
more potato.
Is that what that is?
I don't know what that is. I think it's just crazy weed.
What?
Those things.
Oh, I see
Those
the
berries.
eggplant.
Yeah. The eggplant right there. And Josh, we need a bag to cut the basil. See the basil growing up? And,
Yeah.
yeah.
Cut it, I get it back.
Here's the basil.
How much work? What is
It all-
it?
You cut the leaves, the green leaves, not the stems that's standing up. No, the big one. Come down the bottom. Start to the bottom. Down bottom here. See these over here? See these? Yeah, cut the big leaves. Now what you gonna put them in?
You said he was going to get a.
This is basil we're cutting. Woo. Junior's tired. That's nice to put in your food to cook. Then his flowers came up. They're pretty. I like to have them in my front yard. They would have been beautiful. I smell them too. You smell them? They smell good. Well, family, this is pretty much our pick for the day. But we harvest our crop before the rain. It rained early this morning. Now it's look like the clouds are rolling in again. Got rain coming again for the rest of the week. We're supposed to get rain, so it's amazing how things work and how things turn out slowly but surely. I look like a farm girl today with my hat on. Can't do too much but just talk and look around. This is our family, our garden, and they all came out to see what we could harvest, and it was nice. Just need to put them in a bag. You could chop that up, put it in your food. That would be a good flavor. Help flavor your food. And there's my little buddy over there. And here's Si. Hi, Si. There's Cy.
Couple more days.
Cy,
Make sure.
I'm talking to you, Cy. He likes for me to call his name, Cy. Look at wag his tail. Oh, they're my boys. My sweet little boys. Well, family, I'm getting off of here today and just say thank you for just watching us trying to grow a garden and learning as we go. We'll tune in maybe later on this week to see what else we get into. So have a good day. Remember that God loves you and I love you too. And I hope, pray that you have a good day and that you enjoy the rest of your week. I'll see you later until we meet again. Bye-bye.